Hello, we are going to in this video demonstrate the installation of WAMP server. WAMP is the Windows environment that merges Apache, PHP, and MySQL all in one complete platform, and it is designed for providing web and database services via an open source platform. So this is the website that you will be able to obtain WAMP server from, and in this case I have chosen to download the 32-bit version. So if you scroll down, you will see the option here. You just click on the link and it will take you to the page. Before that, you can go and you can do a direct download rather than go and complete any forms or anything like that at all. There's also some warnings here, so you can just click on the download directly link once it is a clean install. So I have already downloaded that software, so I am going to install it at this point. So I'm going to click run. So just for the purposes of explanation, Apache is the web server that is built into the platform. The platform also consists of MySQL server, which is a database server, and there is also PHP, which is a scripting language, a server-side scripting language. So the complete combination allows for a complete web installation to be conducted that will allow you to actually design and build a web application as opposed to simply a static web page. You could, for example, build forms, and those web forms can capture data from a user and store it into tables on the MySQL database, and you can use the PHP aspect of it to do validation and add further functionality to your website. So this is the free but very powerful WAMP server that we are currently installing. Just a bit of further information. There is also a version of this called LAMP that is available for use on Linux-based operating systems. So it's L for Linux, LAMP. LAMP works on Linux, and WAMP works on Windows. And it's asking us to choose our default browser. Okay, so we're just gonna click open. Just use the default settings. And we are going to allow access through the Windows firewall. And again, we're going to just leave the default values, and we are going to launch WAMP server now. So the installation is essentially complete. So at this stage, what we are going to do is to test that WAMP server is in fact running and functional. So here you will notice that the server is going to start up. When it's now starting, it will be red. Once everything is up and running, all services are up and running, this icon will become green. Okay, we'll see that it now changed to orange. So it means that services are being started up. Okay, and here we go. WAMP server is now green, so it is active. So what we're going to do is just put online. And now if you hover the mouse pointer over the icon, you will see now that the server is online, and we can now go to localhost, which should open up a browser page that should give us some default view. And there we go. So once you see this page, it means that you in fact have a successful installation of WAMP server. And you can use, for example, the PHP myadmin to go in and administer your database, for instance. And here we go, you have your basic your default startup of your MySQL database. So our WAMP server is in fact successfully installed and active on this computer. And just also for your information, let me just point the installation directory. If you used the default settings, then you would see that in the C drive, or the root of the boot drive, you will see a folder marked WAMP, and in here are all your files that are related to the WAMP installation, the WAMP services. And in here you see a folder www, and that folder, the index.php, is what you will replace with your own index.php that will be the home page of your personal website, if you choose to use it that way. So thanks so much for viewing, and I trust you will look out for further videos from me. Thanks again. Bye.